Check out this 2012 Ram 2500. This 2500 has just under 2,500 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a factory warranty. This 2500 boasts a 6.7-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the 2FK Laramie Longhorn Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, Cold Weather Group, HD Snowplow Prep Group, Monotone Paint, 6-speed automatic transmission with odd, light pebble beige bark brown interior, premium leather bucket seats, anti-spin rear axle, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel engine, 50 state emissions, flame red and the Ram Box cargo management system. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.